comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the rein.
She's a spooky queen. Oh my god.
Bells are ringing, children singing all is merry.
So we are at the classy Party City. All these good toys are.
We found this.
We found this gem.
Oh, he looked like Drake Bell from that Amanda show when he had the 70s.
Yes.
He's like
blah blah blah, like it's something like that.
Alright. Yes. Wig.
Okay, signing off.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest here. Today I'm here with my friend Spencer and I'm turning him into a drag queen for the first time.
That's what's happening.
Okay, so we actually tried to do this yesterday, but we had some problems. Spencer, that's not you. Wait. So here we are doing it for the second time. I know, but think about
She looks like she's gonna kill someone.
I know.
Step one.
Where's my, I don't know where the glue is.
Layla,
Yeah.
this is going to go perfectly. Chill the fake air.
Alright, here we go.
I just automatically close my eyes.
It's okay.
It's like when I'm getting my hair cut, I do the same thing.
You close your eyes when you're getting your haircut?
Yeah, and I always fall
I do
asleep.
that too, like when they're washing it. We are from the same hometown.
I would say I was in 6th grade, you're in 5th grade. I made YouTube videos way the f back then.
I applied to his contest, like his video contest, but he didn't know, but I actually knew who he was. I wanted to like be like, oh my god, like I wanted to meet him through YouTube. Also, just so this is out there, I'm not experienced with drag makeup. Like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying my best.
And I'm not an experienced drag queen. I'm about to burp.
Okay. Don't burp that way. That took a long time. We haven't even covered them. Like, you know how girls like get their hair laid? Like, we need to get your eyebrows laid.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Come through glue.
I chipped one of my teeth in my dreams. Like in real life when I was dreaming.
What? Oh my god. Stop. You look crazy. Now I'm gonna conceal the brows. Hopefully this works. I don't
What do I look like right now?
Drake Bell. I don't know. You really look like him. This is Derma Blend foundation. Oh my god, you know what we didn't do? Color correct it.
God, they already feel so thick. Like.
No looking.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be using the James Charles Morphe palette. So good. I'm going in with Rusted. Rusted, Dusted, Busted. Is not what you'll be looking like today.
I look like I'm about to get some like special effects.
Yeah, it does. It looks like we're about to put some like green screen on you. You know how like when I did Avatar, they had to paint certain things on them? Like from far away, it's a look. This is my mom's. She'll see this later.
Hold up, can we just take a moment for the sound that makes?
Ew, why are you intrigued?
This could be an ASMR. Just in the viewfinder right now, like there is just nothing.
It's like what is it, Neanderthal? So, what does it mean for you to do drag?
Yes, that's so serious.
I know.
Drag allows people to, and it really does just show that like you can be masculine and feminine. It doesn't really matter what your gender is. You can weld masculinity or femininity to your advantage at any time. I think that's super important, and I'm comfortable enough with myself to put a wig on and snatch a bitch.
I love it.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. This is definitely your color.
Okay.
Is this yours?
Yeah. Wow, yours are so red. Someone must be talking about you. Bro, that's so real, because one time, without any tea or anything, so I'm not even gonna be able to explain it without like shading people. But
shade them.
I was and my ears were burning like so much, and I was like, oh my god, like someone's talking about me. You know how they say that? And later that night, I find out that's the night that, and I know they were talking shit.
Yes.
Wow, you look so blank. Okay. And then we're about to draw your brows.
She got stage fright. She got stage fright.
That sounds good.
Y'all heard it here first.
Straight up. Oh my god, so white.
So white.
Oh my god, hold this. And then we can make the arch higher.
Go crazy.
Let's just go for it.
No,
don't.
Okay.
Don't look at it.
Around like you cooler than me.
Wait, I love the eyebrows like this.
You're literally drawing like halfway up my forehead.
You can't see the shape that well. It looks bad in the viewfinder.
Damn, I'm literally like over here like arching my brow.
I kind of like that one more arch because it's like a little. Also, I'm starting to look at you like not as a person and like a canvas.
No, it's really like watching you do this.
I know, because I'm really like concentrating. I'm not even thinking about like this is you.
Holy sh.
Okay. All right. Oh my god, stop. No. I will not do this. So now I'm going to contour with the Kat Von D palette.
Kat Von Dizzle.
Stop. Yeah, don't do that. And look that way. Wow, your forehead is so small now. Jawline. Wow, here she is. Okay, stop.
Only on one side.
No, it's on the other side. It's got blood on that side. No, that
Layla,
side's really
like, are you kidding me right now?
Okay.
Wow, plastic surgery, what?
My god. Okay, look at me. Now we're gonna bake. This is becoming real. You look better than me right now.
Sorry, no, sorry.
Alright, so this is so weird because I'm like, your new eyelid is on your eyebrow.
Where we went to high school, not Layla. Layla went to art school, so. I went to all-male Catholic military school. And basically, if I were to go, I mean, what would you think would happen?
You went to school in drag?
Well, one, I can't go to school in drag.
What would happen if a boy came to school with makeup on?
They'd send you home. Immediately.
They would send you home?
I mean, my friends wouldn't care at all. I mean, I think a lot of people wouldn't care. Things have changed a lot, but speak for the majority of people. People just don't understand what drag is. Even my mom, I told my mom I was filming this video with you. Very conservative parents. They're okay with me being gay, but when I told my mom I was filming this video, she was like, oh, like, you better ask for dad's permission. I'm like, what? Like what do you need to ask for permission for? Like, I'm putting makeup on my face. Like, what does that change?
Yeah, literally nothing.
I loved everyone in my high school, and I had a great high school experience. You know, Layla and I were great friends in high school.
Yes, we were.
All I have to say is Catholic military high school is different. It's just different. Like, yeah, you know how
even I know. Like, I don't think anyone really understands like our hometown from like an outside perspective. Like,
we could do a documentary and like,
yeah, like people go,
you wouldn't believe it.
People go wild here. I mean, I just don't know how to even describe it. But like, you know, when you're that age, you're so insecure and like, or not insecure, but you're really like self-conscious and you think everyone like cares what you do. That is a big wing. She's thick. Big old chicken wing. Close. I like when you're in a situation when you're not supposed to laugh and everything's like 10 times more funny and like you're with a friend and you start laughing and then you start making like inhumane noises because you're trying so hard not to laugh. Hi, isn't he so cute? Wow, you look interesting.
So you know those like Twitter accounts that people make in high school that are like gossip accounts? I think like Gossip Girl has something like that. It was terribly mean.
Like bullying.
Like the type of stuff that makes kids want to kill themselves. And there was that first really big one that like put them on the map. And
Come closer to me.
I can't remember what it was called. It was like mostly older kids because we were like ninth graders at the time. The only 2 people in my grade they got tweeted about were me. Of course, I hadn't made YouTube videos in 4 years, and that shit still haunted me.
I wish it wasn't like that. Like, why do people have to make fun of people?
I know.
I'm gonna do up close. Wow, looks a little janky up close, so just get a little back. We're gonna do this bold lip. Line those lips with Kylie and Mary Jo. And we're gonna overline them in lips. However I can. Like when I just look at this, open your mouth. It's like when I'm applying it, guys, doesn't that look like a girl? Okay.
It smells so good.
I know, right? No, oh my god. Don't open your eyes. Okay.
Hit the Kanye.
Shut up. I didn't even do it. I was trying to do it on the camera. I can't. Okay. I'm gonna do up close. Wow, looks a little janky up close, so just get a little back. Here we go.
It's so weird that that's like attractive.
Worse on this side than I am on the other. Closer. Yeah.
Come a little closer than you see.
Mike.
Oh my god.
I know, it's so hard to open them. They're like on your lash line. No, don't look at yourself.
I mean, I can't see.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, yes.
Wow, that's a look. Dude, you look like a lunch lady right now. Like a mean lunch lady. So, Spencer saw his eyes closed, right?
Yes.
I'm about to put the wig on, so we got this yesterday.
Oh, I hate the way this feels.
I know.
Yes.
Wow, this is not you.
Oh my lord.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of styling. I got some clips right here, and we're gonna clip her back. Are you ready?
I saw that powder.
Okay. Alright, ready? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, look.
Go.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm scared of myself. Oh.
I can't look at you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't feel like me.
What's your name?
Queen Laquifa.
Hey guys.
I cannot.
What's up? I'm just chilling.
That was so good. Hey guys, it's Balella Throne. Josh.
What up?
What are you doing?
Putting on my socks
Are you at your house?
in Athens. Wow!
Can you believe it?
Johnny, you flexing?
Yeah, I'm doing a performance tonight.
That was my next question. Are you really?
No.
Oh, that's a damn shame. That's a waste because you're killing. Do you have like double brows right now?
No, that's like eyeshadow stuff.
Hello?
What's up?
Oh my god.
I saw a picture of you on Stevie's phone today, and I was like, who the fuck is that? Far away. Who is that?
Like, what bitch are you talking to, Stevie?
Just freaked out for a second.
Do y'all think I'm hot? Haley, were you threatened by me?
No. It was just like from far away, like it looked like a girl.
Like, look at this.
Oh yeah.
So, oh my god. It looks so
Wait, what is that? Are those your eyebrows?
I really hope you guys liked my art piece today. I'm naming him...
Her?
Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. Okay, well, thanks Spencer for letting me do this on you.
Yeah, of course.
And...
Fulfilling a lifelong dream of mine.
Yes. Okay.
Drag's fun. I suggest everyone do it. As RuPaul says,
Okay.
you're born naked and the rest is drag.
Really cringy right now.
I'm...
I know.
Like...
I'm gonna put Spencer's Instagram down below, and stay tuned because we may do some more drag adventures and go other places and stuff. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Ew, that was so cringy.
Toodaloo haters.
Subscribe.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
Oh God, that is rough.